Hello children, let's start with class 6, chapter number 3, numbers in Indian and international systems. So first we will discuss what is unit. Unit is the first and lowest natural number as a standard of measurement. So unit is a standard of measurement. It means to measure a single thing. And a number is written before the name of a unit. Always remember it. Suppose I say 8 meter. Here 8 is a number and m, small m stands for meter. So unit meter is taken 8 times. If I say 4 liter here it means 1 liter is taken 4 times. So liter is taken 4 times. Unit of liter is taken 4 times. Liter is the unit of capacity. Then if I say 3 meter, again meter is used for, it is a unit for length, measuring length. So 3 meter means the unit of length meter is taken 3 times. If I say 64 kg, kg is again the unit of weight. So it means 64 kg means unit of weight is used in kg, kilogram, and it is taken 64 times. Now let us discuss about numeral, number and numeration. So numeral is a symbol representing a given number, and numeration represents the number in words. Numeration represents the number in words, and numeral, it is a symbol which is denoting a number. So for example, if I say 3, the numeral is 3. It is written like this, and numeration is THREE, 3. If I say 0, so your symbol is like this, and 0, ZERO. 15, so numeral form means it is written in symbol 1, 5, and it is written in words 15. Now let's discuss about Indian system of numeration, which is also known as your Hindu-Arabic system or denary system. So basically it consists of 10 symbols, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And these 10 symbols is called a digit. It is called a digit. Now these 10 symbols are used to write a numeral, that is a number. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is known as even numerals. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is known as even numerals, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is known as odd numerals. Now let's see the place value chart for the Indian system. In Indian system, it is basically, you can see here, these are known as periods: ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, and these are the places. So in ones it has ones, tens, 100, and in thousand period it has 1000 and 10,000, and in lakhs periods they have lakhs and 10 lakhs, and then crores period they have crore and 10 crore. So 1 means you have to place a digit over here, 1, and then 10, tens place. If I say 100, this is 100. 1000, this is 1000. Now 10,000 means 10 and 3 zeros, they have been placed. Similarly lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and 1 crore and 10 crore. Now let's take an example. For example, 7, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Let's place this number in this place value chart. So it will be, let's write the number again, 7, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3 it is. So Let's start from here. 3, 2, 1, 6, 5. This is 4 and 7. So it is, how much it becomes? So it is in the column of 10, it is in the column of lakh column. It is 74 lakhs 56,123. If we place this number in the place value chart, how much we are getting? This is 74 lakh 56,123. So now let's separate with the help of commas, counting from the right hand side towards the left. 74 lakh, this is the lakh period, and this is the 56,123. This is the ones period. So in this way we have to separate with the help of commas. In Indian system, first 3 ones, tens, 100 will be in a one period, that is your ones period, and 5, 6 is placed in the thousands period, 7, 4 is placed in the lakhs period. So it is separated by these commas. Commas should be used over here to separate the periods from each other. Now we will write it in word form. 74 lakh 56,123. Right? So whenever you are writing this in word form, it should be 74 lakh, not lakhs. 56,000, not thousands. 123, not threes. You should not be using the plural form. Not use the plural form. Sorry. You are not supposed to use the plural form, and then you are not supposed to put commas between these things, like 74 lakh comma 56,000 comma 123. So these commas should not be placed over here. There should be no commas over here. There should not be no plural form, no commas, and no use of word like and. Sometimes students write like this: 74 lakh 56,000 and 123. So there should not be the use of this word and over here while writing a number in word form, and always use comma to separate the periods. Now let's discuss about the international system of numeration. So its period is again counting from the right hand side towards the left. So this is your ones period. It has ones, tens, 100, same as Indian form. Then thousand periods. From here the change you will see 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then next is your million, that is million, 10 million and 100 million. Then billions, it is billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. So this is your ones period, this is thousands period, this is millions period, and this is billions period. And one is placed over here, then 10, then similarly 100, then 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, then million, 10 million. So you have to place these places accordingly. These ones you have to place over here. Now let's take up a number how to be placed in this international system of numeration. For example, if I take a number 225,437. Let's place this number. It is 225,437. So this is 734,522. So this is your how you have placed in the place value chart. Now we will use the commas to separate the periods. So this is your ones period and this is your 1000 periods. So when we write in words, it is 200 25,437 Again you will use the commas to separate the periods. This is your ones period and this is your thousands period. So it is 225,437. Again, there should not be use of any plural form. There should not be you are using any commas over here, and there should be no use of word like and. So this is your international system of numeration. Now let's discuss about the comparison between the Indian place value chart and the international place value chart. So in Indian system, what we have learned: ones period, thousand period, lakhs, crores. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and 10 crore. And international format, you can see this is your ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. And after that, billion system is there. But up to here, crore, our Indian system is there. So we have compared these two charts. So you can see, if you compare these two charts, 100,000 will become 1 lakh. 100,000 will become 1 lakh. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. So 1 million, this is your million over here, and this is equal to your 10 lakh. Then 10 millions will be equal to 1 crore. This is your 10 million, which is equal to your 1 crore. And similarly, 100 million is equal to 10 crores. So you have to remember these values, these relationship between the Indian place value chart and the international place value chart. This is you have to remember and this is also important from the examination point of view. Now let's take up the exercise 3, which you can do it in your book and in your copy also. Write the numerals using Indian system or international system in words as required. So first thing is that how to identify whether the given number is an Indian system or an international system. So you can see over here, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So it is 4,35,342. But when you come over here, you can see it is divided in the period of 3. Can you see it? Here also 3. So this is ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So this is an international format. What will be the answer over here? This will be 75,132,000, because it is in the thousands column, thousands period, 684. So it is 75,132,000 100 32 thousands 684. So this is, again you can see, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So you can write like this: 815,906. Similarly, you should try these questions accordingly. Next question is question number 2. Write the following numbers placing the commas according to the Indian system. So you can see this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and this is lakh. So this you have to write like this. You have to place the commas according to the periods. Again, if you come over here, this is ones, tens, 100. Again a comma will come. 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and then crore. 3,56. Then this is 40. Then 254. Like this you have to put the commas according to the Indian system. Next, according to the international system, you have to place the commas. So this is ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, then million. So this is 6,509, 820. You have to place the commas like this. According to the periods, you have to place the commas. Next, question number 4. Fill in the blanks. You have been given some numbers in words. You have to write first in the numeral form, means in number form. Again you have to use your commas, very important. And international system also, you have to write the numbers in using commas. Then you have to write also in form of international numeration, that is in words, in international format. So it is 4,67,306. So first you can, if you are not able to place the digits, you can also write like this: ones, tens, 100. This is 1000, 10,000, and lakh. So it is 4,67,306. So if we place the commas to separate the group, it will be like this. And then in the international format, all of you know that this is your ones, tens, 100, and 1000, 10,000, and 100,000. So we will place only one single comma over here to separate the thousands and the ones period. So in international format, how we will write? 467,306. Likewise, you have to do this question also. Next, come to question number 5. Fill in the blanks. Same here, the numbers has been given to you, but here it is given in the international format. You have to write in the first. You have to write the given number in the numeral form. Then in the Indian system, then you have to write the number name in Indian system. That is 604,847. So if you have confusion regarding where to place a digit, again you write in ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and this is 100,000. It is 604,000, 604,000, and this is 847, 847. So you will write 604, 847. So this is the ones period, this is the thousand period. Now in Indian system, how you will write this? This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and then lakh. So this will be like this. So it will become 6,04,847. So like this way you have to also try this question number 2 of this chapter number 3, exercise number 3, and you write all these questions in your copy. So thank you children.